What's up you guys, Chris here, and I'm going to show you how to set up your alerts. So I have my StreamLabs OBS opened up with a couple of scenes already in, and I want to add alerts to my stream. So I'm going to go to the gameplay scenes, which is already selected, and because I am in StreamLabs OBS, I am able to add the alert box. Now there are two ways to add your alert to your stream, either by alert box or by having a certain link, and I'm going to cover both of them. Now if you go to add an alert box, this is going to be the default one from your StreamLabs. If you're using anything else, then you can also use the browser source. Now I'm gonna go with browser source just because it's a bit more generic option. The browser source basically takes in a link. So if you click add source, just gonna call it alerts. It basically expects a URL of your widget. In this case, your widget is the alert box. To get that link, you will need to go to StreamLabs website to the alert box feature, and you can see here you have a URL. I'm gonna copy that and paste it over here. Click done, and I'm gonna put it in the middle and maybe make it a bit smaller. Now if I want to test it, I go back to the alert box in StreamLabs and go to Twitch follow, click send test, and as you can see, it shows in my stream. That's how you set up your alerts. Now there are a couple of options you can set up here per alert. So if you want to set up your donation to be a bit different than the others or different from default, you can just click here on global event types, click on donation, and you have a couple of settings here: the layout, the image you want to show, the sound you want to play, and the alert duration, all sorts of stuff. In here you change the text you want to show. So by default you have name, donated, amount, and I also added the woohoo at the end of it so that it makes it a bit more fun. You can also choose to enable text to speech, so if whoever donated you money also wrote a message, that message is gonna be read to the entire audience. If you don't want that, you just click disabled and click save settings. The same things can be set up to follow, to merge, and whatever other alerts you have here. And also you can enable or disable whichever alert type you want to show. The second option that you would have is by having the alert box. Now if you click alert box and add it as a source, I'm going to click alert box 2 and add a source, you can see that these are basically the exact same settings that you would have on your regular browser. It's just they're integrated within StreamLabs. There's no point in going through all of them again. The result is basically the same. And that's it. Simple as that. Now you have your alert set up and you have custom messages attached to it. You have everything you need, and now you can go live. Until we meet again. Peace.